composing types. Here I'm gonna check what is composing types. Sections trying to explain. Right, says we can create complex types by combining simple ones. But I'm just going to jump into the playground and try out the examples. Interesting, so it says unions. So it looks like they are combining values to create a type. Okay. Right, so we have my bool type defined using the type keyword, given true and false. What it shows in the type inference, boolean. So let me try another one. Let's say string. Just going to assign two strings and see what it will infer. Right, interesting. So it looks like it's taking the literal value itself as a type. Curious, we can combine more. I don't know what to type. Let's put typola. Perfect. So looks like we can keep combining as much as we want, and the type comes as the combination of all the literal values we are adding to the separating by the pipes. Okay, interesting. I want to try with the numbers as well. I'll just put 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So yeah, I think I got the idea. The interesting fact would be how we gonna use this type. And let me, out of curiosity, combining or try out a variable I would use. Migrating probably, yeah, makes sense. I'll just tag it as my string because I know I won't use the hello, and I will just assign hello here. Awesome, that looks good to me. How about if I added something else? I don't know. Ciao. Does not assignable type my string. Right, so I think I'm kind of getting the idea what they're trying to express in the documentation. So pretty much we can define types using separating by these pipes, so it's count like a union, and we can assign one of these values if we use that type as the type annotation. And anything else we're adding will start to complain. I'm just curious to see the JS part as well. So it's compiled down to this. Yeah, it's gonna take off all the type definitions, and yeah, just the variable and the value what it shows in there. Yeah, it's not simultaneous my string, so let me change it to world, which we know. Yeah, it's good. It's auto in as well, auto completion. Yeah, that looks good to me. Just going back to the documentation to recap. With a union, you can declare that a type could be one of many types. Yeah, I think I pretty much understood that by playing in the playground. Yeah, and they have given some more examples. A popular use case for union types is to describe the set of string or number literals. Yeah, I think I got that idea by playing in the playground by trying with the different values. But I'm curious to go and see what they're showing in the examples as well. Yeah, window state, open, close, minimize, lock state, locked, unlocked. Sounds very natural, and it's a nice feature. And here positive to odd numbers on the 10. Yeah, it's cool. So if I just have a function or something, get state, I would say just print state for now. Print window state. Oh yeah, that sounds more. And then I just trying to declare a variable here. State probably would be a good parameter name, and just add a console log. The value of the state. Yeah, just going to invoke the function with a value, let's say open. Just run the playground. Perfect. That's definitely going to be useful when writing serious functions. Let's try to assign something that's not there. Yeah. This is what I expected as well as complaining. That's super cool. What else they are trying to do? Unions provide a way of handling different types too. For example, you may have a function that takes an array or a string. Oh, that's interesting. Right, so I have a function. Of course, the string has the length property. If I what access things I can do within there. Right. So it looks like pretty much it's the common property is available in the both these types in this union are allowed. So if I add a number here to say my understanding is correct. Yeah, that's super cool. So we have the type safety here. That's nice. So we can add any combination here, but pretty much any common properties belong to both the types we have in the union type. It's happy to do that. So yeah, that's super cool. Yeah, so it's not just literal types, we can add any type here. I can even add I guess boolean just to see how it works, not blob. And how's the type completion? Yeah, I think I got the idea what they're trying to express. Super cool. Right, I'm happy with the things they are trying to explain here. They are talking about some of the type of stuff as well. Oh, I see. So we can use the type of to kind of within the when you access in the union, so you can narrow it down. So these are the plain vanilla JavaScript type of operator. And check a string, number. Oh, that's super cool. I like to try this one out. So yes, if I have a number here with the example I added earlier. So if I add the number, what would be the object? Now it could be the number or string. If I remove the number, I guess it would be just this string array at this point. Oh, that's genius, guys. I really like that feature. So just I like to see with the number here. So if I just copy the same code to here and I just change it to a number and I just return the object. What it says here, object is number. Oh, it could be a string array as well. Why is saying a string array? Oh yeah, that because we haven't handled the string array before, because when it comes to this point it could be the one of these. When I check type object equal number, it should infer as the number. Oh yeah, I think there was a slight delay from the editor. Now it's right. It's got the number here because they narrow it down to number, and this should be string array. That's super cool. I'm sure that's going to be really useful when writing the code. Right, perfect. I think that's enough for my session today. I pretty much captured good knowledge by just following a few of these breakout sessions. Yeah, I'm happy with that.